Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing of a DVD. This time we're going to do Nanny Mcphee by Emma Thompson and Colin Firth. So, that's what it looks like, the front cover. And it's you, just like the other movie. And the back now, I'm going to show you the back. Bonus features, casting the children in village life, Nanny Mcphee makeover, deleted scenes, gag reel, how Nanny Mcphee came to be, and +2 audio commentaries and subtitles available. And it says on the blurb, in the stock and witty fable, Emma Thompson, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, Love Actually, portrays a person of unsettling appearance and magical powers who enters the household of the recently widowed Mr. Brown. Colin Firth, Bridget Jones' Diary, girl with a pearl earring, and it attempts to tame his 7 exceedingly ill-behaved children. The children have managed to drive away 7 previous nannies, but as Nanny Mcphee takes control, they begin to notice that their vile behaviour now leads swiftly and magically to rather startling consequences. Yeah, I'll show you the disc now. Just if the words are backwards, I'm not sure about it. That's the disc. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's been a review, and bye.